In दोस्तों, so today we are starting for the type of the set. First one, introduction. So first one, name of the set, definition and example. First one, singleton set, a set consisting of a single element is called a singleton set. Now let's see the example. A set is even prime number. So even prime number, what is that? 2. So this one is also singleton set, right? And now second one, empty set or null set. If there is not a single element in the set which satisfies the given condition, then it is called a null set or an empty set. Null set is represented by this like empty, and second one are in the symbol form of the 5. Now let's see the example. X such that x is natural number between 2 and 3. So this one not there any gap, because now this is a continuous number, not there any gap, so this one is also empty set. Now finite set, if a set is a null set or number of element are limited are and countable, then it is called as finite set. So this a countable number is there. Now let's see that example. In the classroom, how many children are there? Like 1 to 50 students, right? So these are countable. Now there is like unlimited students in the classroom, so these are uncountable is there, right? So limited there will be countable and unlimited is a uncountable, right? Limited set it is called as finite set, and unlimited students is there, so this is called as infinite set. So both are the example. It's very easy, and these two are very easy. Let's start for the equal set. Equal set, two set A and B are said to be equal if every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A. Set A and set B are equal set. In symbolically method, it can be written as A is equal to B, right? In the symbolically method. And now example 1, it's also like listen and silent. Both are the similar word is there. But now see that letter, this also is similar. It is like A, set of A and set of B, both are the equal set. Now example number 2, x is equal to 2n and belongs to natural number 0 less than x less than is equal to 10, right? So start from the 1 2 3. Now put it one by one. So 2 4 6 8 10, right? And second one, set of B is equal to y such that y is an even number 1 less than y less than is equal to 10. Even number. Tell me what is the even number? 2 4 6 8 10, right? Limited number is there. So see that this number and this number are equal. So this one is also is equal set. And now see that C1, set of C, this number and this number both are the similar? No, both are the different number. So this one is also not equal set, right? And now example number 3, A is equal to 1 2 3 and B is equal to 1 2 3 4. So this one is also is different. So A not is equal to B. And last one is a prime number 10 less than x less than 20. Tell me what is a prime number after 10? 11, 13, 17 and 19. So this one is 17, right? 17. And now set of B 11, 13, 17, 19. See that this number and this number are equal. So this one is also equal set, right? So get identify, it's very easy. आपको easily understanding हो जाएगा कि A and B कैसे find out करते हैं. So next वीडियो में हम प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 करेंगे. जय हिंद दोस्तों.